Welcome everyone to our channel. This is your host Saurav. Today we are at one of the most luxurious property of Delhi NCR, which is known as the Super Luxury Supernova. So right now we are standing in front of it. As you can see the elevation of a tower of it, and it will be a series of videos because it's a huge project. The project is in 17.5 acre and it's a mixed use land in which you will be getting your mall, your different commercial activities, your different residences, which will be starting from studio apartments and going up to super luxury duplex villas, which will be at the toppest of the floor. As you can understand from the height of the tower, guys, the height of the highest tower in this property is 72 floors, and you will be getting your home at 72 floors. So it is a huge view of Delhi NCR you will be getting from there. And friends, I want to just tell you that in this series you will be getting many videos because it's a huge project and we will be covering every different towers one by one. So guys, now we are in the site and we'll be meeting Mr. Gaurav Sopti. He will be elaborating the project with us. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi Saurabh, welcome to the site.
Thank you, sir. Please.
Hi guys, so we are exactly in front of project model. So the project Supernova, it is strategically located on junction of three cities, Delhi, Noida and Faridabad. So if I talk about connectivity, it is very close to South Delhi, and once we cross down this Kalindi Gunj flyover, another 1.5-2 kilometers, your Faridabad will be coming down. So exactly in front of our site, it is Okhla Bird Sanctuary metro station, which is giving direct access by escalator to the atrium of the mall which we are constructing. So this is 17.5 acre land, which is three side open. And the best part is, if you talk about consultant of this particular project, Benoy, who is top #1 consultant of the world, has consulted it, designed it. And apart from that, if we talk about construction, the Arabian Construction Company is constructing this project. Guys, now I'm going to give you overview of the project. So this project is divided into 6 parts. The first tower is Astralis, which is commercial office space. Second tower is Nova East, Nova West, which is twin tower having 2 and 3 BHK. Third is the most awaited, the epitome of luxury, Spira. Fourth is Queen Tower, and fifth is Hypernova Mall. So now we're gonna talk about insights about the project. So first tower is Astralis. This is purely commercial office space, which is 100% delivered and 95% sold out. So right now, if we talk about 5% inventory which is remaining, you will be getting somewhere around 500 square feet office space. The rate is 75 lakh rupees onwards. So now we're gonna talk about next 2 towers. First is Nova East, second is Nova West. These both are twin towers. The height is 43rd floor. Till 37th floor we are giving 2 and 3 BHK. The starting size of 2 BHK is 1380 square feet and 3 BHK is 2105. So these both towers are already delivered and 95% sold out. So investment, if we talk about the 2 BHK start from 1.5 CR and 3 BHK start from somewhere around 2.5 CR. If I talk about top floors, from 38th floor to 43rd floors are the penthouse. So penthouse in Nova East and Nova West both are sold out. So guys, before introducing the another tower, I'm gonna talk about power of landmark. So when we talk about Dubai, what exactly comes in your mind? Burj Khalifa. If we talk about Singapore, Marina Bay Sands. If we talk about Malaysia, then Petronas Tower. So right now in India, we are launching the super luxury North India's second tallest tower, which is Spira. So if I talk about this particular tower, it is 72 floors building, 300 meter height, second tallest tower of India, and 6th twisted tower of world. So on top floors, as you can see, there is a helipad also. So right now from 5th floor, I'm going to tell you what exactly we are constructing. So starting from the 5th floor, from 5th to 17th floor, there are Spira residencies, which start from 2800 square feet and it goes up to 4500 square feet, 3 and 4 BHK. On 18th floor, it is service floor, which will be utilized by the whole tower. And from 18th to 43rd floor, we are coming up with Spira studio apartments, which start from 580 square feet and it goes up to 1200 square feet. At 44th floor, it is service floor, again service floor. At 45th floor, we are coming up with tallest swimming pool along with the clubhouse. So the best part is you will not get any kind of clubhouse which is on that kind of height. From 46th floor till 58th floors are the Spira office space, again the tallest available office space in India. From 58th floor to 67th floor, you will be getting the most luxurious Sky Villas. The starting size of Sky Villas is 4850 and it goes up to 13,000 square feet. So on top floors, which is 68, 69, 71, 72, we are coming up with triple height fit banquet hall. And apart from that, your open air lounges are there, bars are there. So this is gonna be the most happening place, party place of Delhi NCR, and the new concept in the market, which is observatory. And the last edge which you are seeking on the tower, that is helipad. So this is the landmark which we are constructing. So if anyone will be coming down to India, they will say this thing that yes, we have Supernova, we have Spira Tower, which is one of the tallest building. This is gonna become the most tourist destination of Delhi NCR. And yes, we are talking about something which is on level of world. So let's talk about how you can be proud owner of North India's tallest tower. So minimum investment starts from somewhere around 75 lakh, in which you will be getting studio apartment with a view of Yamuna Ji and thousands of acre, no hindrance. And Okla Bird Sanctuary is also in front of you, which is again a tourist destination. So just 75 lakh rupees and you can be a proud owner of landmark. So after Spira, we're gonna talk about the unique proposition, which is a huge 10 lakh square feet mall, 3 side open mall, along with 7,000 car parking, just 4 floors, lower ground, ground, first and second. So the mall is divided into 2 parts. One is Radiance and another is Aurora. So Aurora is the high-end luxury retail segment. So the best part about this mall is you're getting multi-level car parking. So every single floor will be treated as ground floor. And as I told you in the beginning of video, the direct escalator of this metro station is coming to the atrium. So the kind of organic footfall which we'll be getting from this metro station will be huge. So right now we see there are so many malls, but this kind of mall which is having almost 5-acre podium space, which is on 4th floor, along with the river bank. So the view will be mesmerizing. So you'll be surprised to heard about the investment which starts at Hypernova. Just investing 30 lakh rupees, you will be a proud owner of a retail space which is in Hypernova Mall. And the best part is, today only you are getting lease guarantee of 126 rupees, which will start from possession. Last but not the least, let's talk about the most awaited tower, that is Queen's Tower. So it is 45 floors building in which we are coming up with ultra luxury premium service apartment. The starting size is 700 square feet and the investment which start is somewhere around 75 lakh rupees. So be a owner of Queen's Tower, and the best part is that you will be getting the clubhouse which is exactly in front of that tower, and on 45th floor we are coming up with extra edge swimming pool. So guys, I'm gonna say one single thing, don't miss this opportunity, because this is that kind of project which you can never ignore. Once you're gonna come down in Noida, you can never ignore this project. So for more information, you can dial the number which is given below. Thank you so much. Signing out for the day. Thank you.